Hey friends, Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me. I'm going to be showing you how I clean my room. So this is like a bedroom edition, I guess we could call it. And I'm super excited to be doing this. I've been trying to do this a couple times, so it just never worked out. But now we're doing it. So I'm going to be showing you how I clean my room. It's going to be a mix in this video of montages, but also talking. I'll probably just do like videos, but like overlay clips over it. And everything. This isn't necessarily gonna be a deep clean, but if you want me to do like what I do in deep cleans, which I don't do very often, let me know and I'll do that sometime in the future. But today I'm gonna be showing you just how I clean my room. Typically it's kind of messy in here. It's not as bad as it was, but it is a little bit messy and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my room and I'm really excited to. Okay, so first thing when it comes to my cleaning routine, I typically like to do laundry at the same time. So I'm just dragging my clothes into the bathroom and I'm gonna throw them in the wash, and I'm also going to show you what I use to wash my clothes. I'll show you that after this clip. Okay, so like I said, I would show you like the detergent stuff. The detergent we use, or at least the one I use when I'm home, is the Tide Advanced Powder one. I don't know, I use what they buy. So whatever my parents buy, I use. And then we used to use a different fabric softener, and we're using Snuggle right now. Something else I love to do when I'm doing a cleaning routine, like when I'm cleaning, is also washing my makeup brushes, because I'm cleaning my room, but I'm also cleaning just all my possessions. So I like to clean my brushes, and I use baby shampoo for this, and then I also have this like egg looking thing that I use to wash my brushes. It's like almost the same thing as like a mat that you would use to clean your brushes, like laying the mat down on the sink and then washing them, but this is more handheld and easier and a lot cheaper. So I'll actually link all the things that I'm using down below so you can check them out. Cleaning your brushes is very time consuming and everything, but this actually only took me 20 minutes because I typically only wash the brushes that I use on a daily basis, which are all these. Surprisingly, I know it seems like a lot of brushes, but these are the ones I use most often. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean my brushes. Very time consuming, but I feel like it's very just therapeutic even watching this. Okay, and before I get into the tidying part of this video, I'm just gonna go quickly and make my bed. I already had it pretty much fixed, so I really didn't have to do much, but making your bed just really makes your room just come together. Then I will start tidying up my room and just doing all that kind of stuff. Then the tidying begins. So I tidy up on my nightstand. Then I also diffuse oil, which I'll be talking about in a second here. As you saw, I did put some lavender oil into my diffuser and stuff, and I'm sorry if you can't hear me. Then I just turn the light on and turn this on. And I like diffusing oils also as I clean because it gives my room a good scent, but it just makes it like a relaxing area for me. I don't know. And then the light changes and it's super therapeutic, relaxing, great. And then I will tidy up the rest of my room, so taking things that are on the floor that don't need to be on the floor, obviously just cleaning up my floor, just cleaning up my bases of my room, my desk, stuff like that. And I will also fold laundry, put that away, close my closet and stuff, and just make sure everything is tidy. Just tidy whatever needs to be tidied up, and that's just the basis of cleaning. Just tidy whatever you need to, get everything so like your surfaces look clean, like your desk, your nightstand, whatever, and just clean up the floor so there's like no excess stuff where it doesn't need to be. Just clean that room up. It's what you make it, always try to give. this is what everything looks like after. Just, it's more confined and stuff. And yes, I could run the vacuum, but it's not really quite time to do that yet, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, it's more confined and just everything is a little bit more clean. You can see the floor a little bit better. It just looks like more tidy. Yes, I will vacuum and I do a more deep clean, which I don't actually do too often, which I should. Yeah, it's one of those things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my cleaning routine. This is just my basic cleaning routine to tidy up. I don't know if I gave you good tips, but if you want like more tips of how to clean better, I don't know if I'm the right person for that, but if you want that, I will do that soon, and maybe I'll do that. Just give it a thumbs up, comment down below your cleaning tips of how to keep your room clean, but you know, of cleaning and just in general. And also please subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!